Right, I hope everyone's doing okay and you're all looking forward to Christmas. Right, just a quick little idea of a trap. It's what I call it, a pheasant foot trap. That's what I'd intend it for. Kind of birds, pheasant type birds, you know, kind of game birds, ground dwelling birds or ground feeding birds. But I think you could scale this up larger. Probably wouldn't want to go no smaller than this, but you could definitely go bigger. And maybe set it up a few other ways. Now, what made me think of this idea was two things. I've seen a World War II type man trap, or similar to this, and the old deer tread trap. It was like a kind of prehistoric kind of deer foot trap. So that kind of gave me an idea for this. So it's essentially a block of wood. This hole here is to tie a piece of string to as an anchor. And you got two bars inside that fall down. So we have to imagine this is the pheasant's leg. So as it's walking along, oh, you'd have to dig a little pit underneath this. As it's walking along, foot goes in, goes past the bars, and then gets stuck and can't get it out. And how that works. See it in there? Really simple, really. It's just a bent piece of wire, a couple of staples, and a piece of spring. You could probably do this with elastic, and it works one way, and then goes flying back the other. And all I've done here is I've just chiseled out a bit, so it's kind of got somewhere, if they do get pushed aside, where it will kind of stop, if that makes sense. So, little pit. You could peg this down, little pit dug underneath. This has definitely got to be tied to an anchor. I've tried to replicate, you know what I mean, some kind of a claw-ish type thing on the bottom of this stick. But it comes along, passes through, and then it's stuck. And I'll just show you it upside down. So it'd stand, slide past, and then get stuck. And it wouldn't actually matter whereabouts it did it, even if it was on the end there, as long as it goes all the way through and gets caught, even if it's caught there or there, it will still catch it. And have to be in the middle. Hope that makes sense. So like I said, yeah, I'd seen a man trap type of thing. You know, and the Viet Cong I think used to do, you know, similar kind of things to this. But the World War II one was the one that came to mind. I think it's only going to really work, this type. I don't know whether it would work with animals with small paws. I don't think so. But birds, quite possibly. As long as these bars are close enough, it may be one of those things where you've got to kind of keep adjusting them. Or, if I know it sounds weird, but if you can get hold of a bird's foot, you know, if you've got a dead pheasant or something and you can stick its foot between something, then you'll know exactly the right size to use. But yeah, just a quick pheasant type, or you know, a foot trap for pheasant type birds. Very simple, easy to make. You could put that in a bug out bag. You could even make this top bit out of thinner stuff and that. It doesn't have to be thick wood. If you had like a HDPE chopping board, as long as you can screw into it or attach these springs somehow, you could definitely make this thin. Maybe even out of a sheet of aluminium. Bolt these, and then you could just put wire through these and then just bend them over the other side. Right, cheers for watching, and hopefully I'll do a few videos this week before Christmas, and then I'll see what I can do over Christmas. Alright, cheers for watching, I'll see you later.